खिलौने वाला खेल खिलौने लेके आया रे. Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good night. Huh? Good night will not. Okay, I am KS Chaudhary, Kishore Singh Chaudhary. यहाँ हम a very fantastic video about that on this pretest. इसी बहाने, right? On this pretest you can thank him. इसी बहाने धन्यवाद दिया, right? दे सकते हो इसी बहाने, right? You have, okay, you have gone here, gone not, you have come my home, you have come at my home, मेरे घर पर. You have come at my home on this pretest. इसी बहाने पधारे तो सही, आए तो सही. Okay, on this pretest you have subscribed my channel, right? On this pretest I will also meet your friend. इसी बहाने मैं भी आपके फ्रेंड से मिल लूंगा. I will. इसी बहाने मैं भी आपके फ्रेंड से मिल लूंगा. तो on this pretest I will also meet your friend, right? Yes, I will eat something on this pretest. इस बहाने कुछ खा लूंगा यार. Okay, sometime कचौरी, समोसा, anything spicy food. इसी बहाने कुछ तो खा लूंगा. I will eat something on this protest, right? Yes, we should go there on this protest. इसी बहाने चलना चाहिए हमें, चलना चाहिए इसी बहाने. Okay, you liked me on this protest. इसी बहाने पसंद तो किया, हाँ? इसी बहाने पसंद तो किया. You liked me on this pretest, right? Ravi has come to temple on this pretest. इसी बहाने रवि मंदिर तो गया. इसी बहाने तुमने कुछ तो बोला. Okay, on this pretest you have told something, right? Yes, he goes to school on this pretest, right? इस बहाने से कि he will get party, he will get enjoy मिलेगा. Okay, yes, activity class होगी, activity class will be. इसी बहाने हो गया तो सही. He goes to school, okay, on this protest. जाता है ना, चलो enjoy के बहाने जाता तो है. In this way you have to revise this sentence, right? On this pretest, इसी बहाने. On this pretest you can thank him. इसी बहाने तुम उसे धन्यवाद तो बोल सकते हो. इसी बहाने तुम मेरे घर तो आ सकते हो. On this protest you can come my home. इसी बहाने घर तो आ सकते हो. On this pretest you can come my home, right? On this pretest you can subscribe my channel. Your videos looking nice, asli agree. In this way, so whenever it is simple way we use this, right? Yes, you have come my home at home. You have come, okay, at my home. मेरे घर पे तो आए. On this pretest, इसी बहाने, right? तो in this way, इसी बहाने ये काम तो हुआ. Okay, yes, this work happened on this pretest. On this pretest, इसी बहाने. So in this way it is a very simple topic you can learn. Okay, you liked me in on this pretest. इसी बहाने पसंद तो किया, right? इसी बहाने उसने शादी तो की. Okay, on this protest he has got married. इसी बहाने, right? We can say that. इसी बहाने तुमने पढ़ाई तो की. On this pretest you has done study. इसी बहाने तुम नोटबुक तो लाए. On this pretest you have brought notebook. इसी बहाने कि आई हैव टू गिव टेस्ट देन यू कैन नो दिस बहाने you have. Okay, so in this way you can learn when Ravi has gone to temple on this test. इसी बहाने रवि मंदिर तो गया. He never goes. He never goes. He never listen any person talk. In this way, it is a very simple topic. Okay? Yes, please, 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 please. इसी बहाने सब्सक्राइब तो किया. Right? Yeah. On this pre-test, you have subscribed my channel. Okay? Thanks.